Then approaching Warble shortly. There goes the RS52. This train would have passed after like 6:20 or so. At no, it can't be what. This would have passed after at 2:08 in Cheeseburger Ivory. Perfect shot. N471. Past it. You can go outside, so I only go for when you pass that sign in trespass, but this is actually a public area. It really does stand we're at this level because you don't hear the light, you don't hear the bells in the background, you can see the loco come around the corner. But I'm going to go heading to where the park is with the tunnel is, and I'm going to start recording when this train departs. Here I am at the Waterville train tunnel waiting the arrival of the train coming from this train station. Going to Southern Cross, will be here very shortly. Perfect on that horn. With N10. 10471 with in the Cheeseburger with N10 carriages and PDV. Awesome. Awesome. Comes out the other side as well.